Hi family, and welcome to another Simplekidscrafts.com video. Today I'm going to show you how to make bows, and these are very easy to make. You can make them in different sizes, and here I have a template which has different sizes for you, really tiny to really big. So we're going to try the medium size in this template, and I am trying medium size because it's easier for me to do. And I have here the little part for the middle of the bow and the bow itself. This is the bow itself, and you can see that it has a fold in the middle, but you can also use only one part of the fold rather than the two parts if you want to make a bow. So I will start by having my fabric here and having the back side on, and I'm going to go ahead and trace the template onto the fabric. After you trace the template onto the fabric, then you have to cut the fabric out, and this will be the part that will become the bow itself, and set it aside. Then we will have the middle part here, and we will repeat the same process. We will trace the template itself onto the fabric and then cut the middle portion out. It looks like this. Then flip your fabric again to the bad side up and the good side down, and then use glue by folding in the middle of the fabric and then using fabric glue to glue in the middle. We'll put a little bit of glue on the part that we have folded and go all the way across, and then flip the fabric right on top. We will do the edge of the fabric right on top of the glue itself, and then press lightly in the middle of the fabric to make sure that it adheres itself. We will repeat the same process for the middle portion of the fabric. This will be the middle portion of the actual bow itself, and we will make a small little tube. We have two tubes. The one that is big will be the bow, and the one that is small is going to be the middle of the bow. Then we will fold the fabric that will become the bow into two, and this will tell us where we will have to fold the ends. Mark that using a pencil, and after you mark, go ahead and fold the one side of the fabric onto the middle. By using glue, you will adhere the tips of both sides of the bow onto the middle, and that way you will know exactly where to place the middle of the bow. Make sure that you adhere the fabric to each other in a very good way by pressing down, and afterwards you will have a little pillow that looks just like this. Now you have two ways to fold. You can use either two creases or you can use one crease like this, and when you fold the bow itself, you actually will find that you can have both of them. If you crease the middle, you will have the two creases in the front, and you will have one crease in the back. So you can choose to fold, and you can choose to attach the middle part to whatever you want, either the one crease or the two crease. I'm going to go with two creases for now, and I'm going to apply a little bit of glue to the middle of the bow so that it will adhere to itself, and then it's easier for me to attach the middle portion. After it dries out a little, then we have here the one crease and the two creases, and you can see that here. And then you can choose which one of them you want to become the front side of the bow. If you want to attach the middle part to the one crease, then you have to put the two creases first. If you want to attach the middle part to the two creases, then you have to attach to the one crease first. Put a little bit of glue in the middle and attach the middle part. Wait until it dries out, and then again do the same thing on the other side. This is pretty easy, you guys. And this is the end of making a bow. It actually will look pretty nice right after it dries out. And as you can see, after I have attached the bow itself, I have the two creases in the front. For making bows, you can use a variety of different fabric. I have different fabrics here. As you can see, I have ribbon. I have also gold fabric right here. You can also use regular fabric like this one here. And all of this fabric is recycled from different projects, so I am not wasting any of it. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.